In this video, I show you how to download and install Photoshop. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. The first thing you need to do is go and open up a web browser, and personally I use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like, and then just go to a search engine. And what you need to do is go and search for something called Adobe. Now Adobe actually go and own Photoshop, so this is why we need to go to their website. So go and search Adobe just like so, A-D-O-B-E, just like this. And then all you want to do is scroll down and make sure you go to the official website, which is adobe.com. Then once you're here, before you get any further, you need to go and create an Adobe account. So all you need to do is go to the top right and tap on sign in, even if you don't have an account, because you can go and create an account on this page. So then all you need to do is go and press on create an account just like so, and go and enter an email and a password. And then once you've created your account, you'll be back to this page here. And all you want to do is come to this top bar here and go and tap on creativity and design, and go and tap on view all plans and pricing. Now, as I said earlier, Photoshop is a paid subscription program, so you will need to pay every month to go and get it. But as you can see here, the package I personally use is this one here called Photography. It's £10 a month, so that's going to be converted to dollars for you. And this is the best and cheapest package if you want to go and use Photoshop. As you can see, this one here is £20 a month. And the main difference is that you get a lot more online storage with this more expensive version of Photoshop. But the Photography package is absolutely fine, and you're going to go and gain access to Photoshop with that. But of course, if you want to go and use the other apps like Premiere Pro and the other Adobe apps, then I definitely recommend getting the all apps one. But personally, I use this Photography one, and all you need to do is go and tap on buy now, and then you can go and choose how you want to go and pay for it. I just go and use the monthly option here. So all you want to do is go and pay for this and go and check out. And then once you've gone and basically subscribed, I'll show you what to do next. And after you've gone and subscribed to Photoshop, then all you want to do is go and tap on your profile picture just like so, and press on view account. And this is going to go and take you to your account page on Adobe. It'll take a moment to load. And then all you want to do is going to go and look for your plan. As you can see, this is my plan here. And you need to go and tap on access your apps and services. And then on this page here, we can actually go and install Photoshop. What I recommend doing is just coming down here, you're going to find available in your plan, Photoshop's going to be here, and there's going to be an install button. Now, when you go and install it, what's going to happen is firstly, Creative Cloud is going to go and download. I've actually got this here. Creative Cloud Desktop basically manages all of your Adobe apps. So that's going to be Photoshop and any others you have in your plan. And then you basically sort of run them off here. It's sort of like Steam, but for like Adobe programs, if you know what I mean. So it's basically a manager for all your different apps. And then what's going to happen is you download Creative Cloud, and then on this app, you're going to go and download Photoshop. And then you can do an update it here, and you can go and open it. You can go and look at these things here, tutorials, etc. So yeah, and that's literally it, guys. And then once you've gone and installed it, we can go and click open up Photoshop just like so, and here we are on Photoshop. And to go and create a new project, all you need to do is tap on file, then press new. You can go and choose what size you like, so I'll just create another one of these, and there we go. If you found this video useful on how you can go and download and install Photoshop, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.